We usually refer to file input and output, but let's start with output because it's what we need to do first in the programs that we've been writing. File output is the process of taking what's currently stored in memory and writing it to a persistent file on the hard drive. We might not want to write everything in memory to a file, but anything we would want the next time we run the program would need to be written. This is file output, outputting the current data in the program to a file. The complementary process is file input. File input is reading that data from the file into active memory. Ideally, these processes are reverses of one another. Whatever data was outputted to the file should end up loaded into the program in the same way when inputting from a file. So, imagine a program that had three variables, a, b, and c, with the values 5, 3, and 1 respectively. When outputting to the file, the program would write 5, 3, and 1. When inputting the file, the goal would be for 5 to be loaded as the value of A, 3 as the value of B, and 1 as the value of C. Ideally, it would not be clear after loading that any outputting and inputting occurred at all. Loading should restore the state of the program to just as it was when it was saved, for most programs anyway. Some of the data we're referring to is obvious. It might be the preferences the user has set or the document that they've created. When they load it again, it should load the document exactly as it was saved. Other data can be a little bit more subtle though. Recent versions of Microsoft Word, for example, save not only the document, but also the scroll position. So reopening the document actually shows you the same area of the document that you saw when you last saved.